Ebi byagambwa meya wa Bushenyi Shaka Municipality byarahanga Richard obu yabari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kushabira abeegi b'ekyamushanju aha Parental and Primary School erukushangwa mu Bushenyi District. Abeegi abo bwahati nibetebekanisiza ebigezo byabo ebyakamaririzo.
We are proud of Parental Care and all other schools in this municipality because Bushenyi Shaka Municipality has been performing very well in PLE examinations. And we have defeated this country, all local governments, for the 5 consecutive years.
In education and Parental Primary School is part of that group that makes us proud. We are very grateful for your contribution, and Bushenyi will shine always as long as you still want to be part of this.
Shemereiro Elviada orumukuru w'ishomero lya Parental yashaba abeegi okwekwata ruhanga okurabira omu kushaba n'okusiiba ngu ahabwo kuba ruhanga naija kubabaasa okubahitya aha businguzi.
Jesus is telling us that you stand on your ground and see what I'm going to do for you. He said, stand on your ground. You have heard everything and you are going to see what God is going to do for you.
Chapter 2, verse 10, he said, be faithful up to death, and I will give you the crown of life. My dear peoples, be faithful to him, and he will give you the crown.
Mukuru w'ishomero eri yatamza ngo abeegi babo betebekanisize ekirikumara ngu kandi baine amatsiko ngu nibaija kuhika kurungi omu bigezo by'aha muheru.
Your teachers have prepared you enough. The syllabus is complete, and the curriculum which we are studying as Uganda, we are sure that we have reached where all of you are guaranteed 100% pass.
Twebaze Prosper okwatira ebendera y'ekibiina kya NRM habwa chairman w'entebe ya kataano habwa district ya Bushenyi yashaba abeegi okukwatanisiza hamwe baba nibenda kuhika aha buhanguzi.
Okutwagira ngo kwendezana ni kirungi. Let's talk about teamwork. You can be good as you, but you can do better as a team. Therefore, ejitimu imwe arebere kushomesa P7 niyende ya arriving ha kintu kimwe victory.
Edna Kenyonyozi omushomesa ha ishomero lya Bweranyangi Girls kandi wabayebembeire ebicweka by'okushaba nawe yashaba abeegi okuteekamu amaani maingi bakashoma nangwa n'okwejonesa abashomesa baabo aho birabashobere.
I just pray that you will continue to work hard. Work very hard. Read your books. Stay focused. Don't allow distractors. These are the days when people start falling sick, examination fever. Please stay focused.
Abeegi b'ekibiina kya mushanju nibaija kutandika ebigezo byabo bya PLE ebiro bishatu by'oku 11/2025 kandi ebigezo ebi nibaija kuba ebiro 4 by'oku 11/2025.
Here before you. They are here as your children, Lord. We have given them enough. They have been taught enough. And here they are.
Gashakora ibya nasasira habwa tayari West mu Bushenyi.